how to change game mode in Minecraft Java. So first what we want to do is just simply click on F3 and F4 on your keyboard at the same time. So just simply click on F3 first, then F4. So click on it, F3 then F4, and now as you can see, if you want to change between these modes, what you need to do is just simply click on F4 to go to the next one. And of course, don't just stay or let your finger stay on the F3 button and only move your other finger for the F4 button so that you could change the mode. Let's say I want to go to survival and it will automatically go to survival. And the next method is just simply go into the chat text right here or the chat and simply click on /Gamemode. And you can pick on adventure, creative. So let's say I want to go to creative and just click on enter. And as you can see, it went back to creative mode. That's how you basically change game modes in Minecraft.